So what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this short and little tutorial I am going to show you how to turn off automatic update that you are install in your iPhone, and your iPhone app store automatically update when new version available on app store. So let's start video without wasting any time. Firstly, launch settings apps. Okay, in settings app you need to scroll down again and find your app store. As you can see showing your app store right now here, just tap on app store. Okay, after that you need to scroll down again. Okay, you can see appears on screen here are showing in-app content and app updates. Okay, automatically install new app updates, just turn it off. Okay, and in the second option you can see appears on screen in-app content, automatically run apps in the background to download content before you first launch. If you want to turn it off also, you can easily turn it off, and you can easily turn off automatic update in your iPhone on app store. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.